Hello students, today we will learn the next concept gratuity received after the death of employee. So in previous class we have learned the gratuity received at the time of retirement. So here gratuity received after the death of employee. So here there are three cases under that. First one is gratuity received by a widow or legal heirs of employee who dies while in service. It is not taxable under the head salary. So gratuity, it is usually taxable under the head salary. If an employee receives a gratuity after his retirement, it is taxable under the head salary. So that is under the while computing total income under the head section 15 under the head income from salary, the taxable gratuity what we computed, it is we have to take under the head salary and we have to write here, and if he has any other income also we have to total the gross total income. Then if there is any deduction, then he can claim deduction. So income, if you deduct deduction under section 80 from gross total income, then on this total income he has to pay tax. So the taxable part of gratuity, the what we learned in previous classes, the taxable gratuity, that we have to write under the head income from salary. Here we have to write under the head, in this total we have to include. So that is a taxable gratuity what we learnt in case of retirement. Here we will learn the gratuity received after the death of employee. So here there are three cases. Gratuity received by widow or legal heirs of employee who dies while in service. So it is not taxable under the head salary. So if a widow or a legal heir receives a gratuity or any lump sum amount as a token of gratitude, if they receive, if an employee dies while in service, then that gratuity is not taxable under the head salary. So that gratuity is not taxable under the head income from salary. Second one is, if gratuity becomes due before the death of the assessee, no matter when and by whom it is received, it is taxable in the hands of employee. So if a gratuity becomes due before the death, clear? If a gratuity becomes due before the death of the assessee, then it is taxable. No matter where and when it is received, by whom it is received, it is taxable. If gratuity becomes due before the death, it is taxable. If gratuity becomes due after the death of a assessee, then it shall not be taxable even in the hands of legal heirs of the assessee. It is not taxable. If gratuity becomes due after the death of the assessee, it shall not be taxable even in the hands of a legal heirs of the assessee. Clear? So if a gratuity receives while in service, if a gratuity received by a widow and the employee dies while in service, then it is not taxable. If a gratuity becomes due before the death of assessee, then it is taxable in the hands of employee. If a gratuity becomes due after the death of assessee, then it shall not be taxable. Now we'll solve one of an illustration relating to gratuity received after the death of employee. See here, Mrs. Arundhati is working with Rituparna Limited since last 30 years 9 months. Her salary structure is as under: basic rupees 5,000 per month, dearness allowance rupees 3,000 per month. On 15th December 2019, she died. State the treatment of gratuity in the following cases. Case 1. Mrs. Arundhati retired on 10th December 2019 and gratuity of rupees 4 lakh is received by her husband, legal heir, as on 18th December 2019. Case 2. Husband of Miss Arundhati received a gratuity on 18th December 2019 falling due after the death of Mrs. Arundhati. So here Mrs. Arundhati is covered by the Payment of Gratuity Act. So we have to treat the gratuity. What is the treatment of gratuity here? So she is covered by the Payment of Gratuity Act. Salary means basic and DA. Last month basic and DA we have to take. See here, first case they asked Mrs. Arundhati retired on 10th December 2019. Gratuity rupees 4 lakh is received by her husband on 18th December 2019. So here in this case she dies on 15th December 2019 and the gratuity due is before 10th December 2019. She retired on 10th December means her gratuity due before death. So the case says if gratuity becomes due before the death of the assessee, so it is taxable in the hands of employee. If gratuity becomes due, she retires before the death, so it is taxable in the hands of Miss Arundhati. So we have to calculate the taxable gratuity what we learned before. Same treatment we have to follow here. That is actual gratuity received how much? 4 lakh rupees. 4 lakh gratuity received we have to take. Then exemption we have to give. Under that first exemption is actual gratuity received 4 lakh. Second statutory limit. Third one is 15 by 26 in last drawn salary into 15 by 26 into completed year of service. So last drawn salary is a basic 5,000 per month, DA 3,000 per month. Since she is covered by Payment of Gratuity Act, salary means basic plus DA, that is 5,000 plus 3,000, 8,000. So 8,000 is the last drawn salary. Then her completed year of service is 31 years. So that we have to calculate 15 by 26 into 31 into 8,000. We will get one value 1,43,077, whichever is least 1,43,077. So when we deduct, we will get taxable gratuity, that is 2,56,923. So that is the taxable gratuity in the first case. It is taxable in the hands of Arundhati. Second case. Now see the second case. Case 2. Husband of Mrs. Arundhati received gratuity on 18th December 2019 falling due after the death of Mrs. Arundhati. So here the gratuity becomes due after the death, falls due after the death. She actually died on 15th December and gratuity due on 18th December. So it falls due after the death. It is 15th and 18th. So after death. So what is the treatment in case of gratuity becomes due after the death? So it shall not be taxable even in the hands of legal heir of assessee. So you have to write note. In case 2, since gratuity falls due after the death of Mrs. Arundhati, hence the same is not taxable in the hands of Mrs. Arundhati. Again, the said gratuity is not even taxable in the hands of husband as well. It is not taxable even in the hands of legal heir. It is not taxable in the hands of assessee, and even it is not taxable in the hands of legal heir of the assessee. So this is about the gratuity received after the death of employee.